Hello everyone, good evening or good morning for every time or all time. And my name is Ahmed Hussamuddin and my student number is 21102195527. And I will start to solve the first homework in microprocessor and microcontroller. First question, it say we will use the comments that the comments division, okay, by the number of 7, okay, 7 in decimal, and displaced the remainder in P1. So in division we have accumulator and P is the remainder value. So if we have maybe 8 divided by 7, okay, the remainder it will be 1, and the last value it will be the last value it will be 1. So we can use it in the code or in our program is microvision. So for the first coding, or we can start with first coding in origin 00 hex for 8051 assembly, and then is jump x and x, it will be have it's like a loop. So we have board 0 and board 1, okay. The remainder it will be in P1, and P0 it will be the n here, okay. In the last thing we can put it, okay. So B0 it will be goes to A. Why? Because needed to division, we needed to division. And 07 hex it will be goes to B, and we divided by all of them, and the remainder it will be goes to B1, and accumulator, the value, the last value, it will be goes to the board 0, okay. We can put F7 to see if there is a problem or not. There is no problem, okay. Let's put the debug, okay. Let's see, and I will put in P0 port 0 FFX, okay. Then we can start. So in accumulator, like we said, I put FFX. So if we can see here, it's in accumulator FFX, and B it will be 07x. Then we divided all of them, and then we have in accumulator 24, the last value, and the remainder is 03x. Step by step, and goes all of them in his way, or on its way. And the board 0, the last value is 24, and the remainder 4. Port 1 it will be 3x. Okay, let's go to the last one, or the last question, okay. Let's read it again. We need to transfer the data or the address from 80 until 10x, 29 hex until 20 hex, okay. So let's start with the Arabic move, okay. Move 20 hex, okay. And what it's the value in this address, it will be maybe 35 hex, okay. And move I don't need the debug, okay, good. And in 10 hex, because we need from 92 until 10 hex, okay. So then hashtag maybe 45 hex, then move this address I will put it in registers, because we need it in indirect method, because it's written in the example, in the question. Indirect addressing method, and digit is a decrease jump, not zero. Then I will put R0. Maybe we will see an hashtag 29 hex, move R1 80 hex, and move R2. We know indirect method or indirect way, we will use just R0 and R1. R2, it will be for 10 times, for 10 decimal, because there is from 20 to 29, from 20 to 29, the data 10 times. We will use this loop, okay? And R2, it will be what it will be 10 or hashtag 10d. Then we can put x2 or x3, x2, let's see it, and here we can replace by 3, and here okay, move A, let's use accumulator, and add, then we will need transform, because we cannot put a register, okay, from the register to register, it cannot be. Maybe it can be, but in address, not in R0. We don't know where's absolutely we know, but we will just address, okay? So we don't need it to know where's the bank, and for overthinking, not for overthinking. Let's say R0, okay, then R0, it will be go to, yeah, at R1, R0, it will be R1 to R0. R1 goes to accumulator, then goes to R0, because R0 is 29, okay? Then accumulator, then decrease. Why? Because 90 until 10 hex, so decrease the what? Decrease R1 and decrease R0. DGNZ decrease jump, not 0. R2 decrease the R2 to 9 decimal, because if we put, I will explaining in until debug, and we will use x2, okay? I will explain it there. Okay, let's see if there is a problem or not. Oh, 1 minute. F7, there is no error, there is warning. Yes, okay, and we will see it here from memory. Okay. Oh my god, see it in memory, put it here like that. Wow. Okay, and just okay, the 0 cross or multiple with 0x, then log, or we can go step by step. Then in 90 hex, there is 35 hex. There is 35 hex. Okay, then 10 hex, it will be 45 hex. Good. And in R0 we put 29. The address, it's 29, and we will transfer the data from 90 hex. Then R1, it will be have 20 hex, and R2 for 10 times, and A, it will be 35. Then an accumulator, then the accumulator, it will be goes to the R0 here. Okay, if we can see, R0 now have a 29, and they're decreasing by 1. It will be 80 and 28. Okay, let's see it here. 29, it we have a 35. Good. Then goes, and it will be R2 9. Let's explain what the gene is. Decrease the value, the one value of R2, and go to the X2 to go on the code. Then it will be 9 7 6 5, and it will be 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, let's see. In 29 we have 35, and 20, it will be 45. Then we transfer the data from, if we can see, 10, it will be go 45, and 20, and 80, it will be goes to 29. So that for homework, and thank you for watching, and see you later.